Ichamadi, what do you mean that Chinonso needs more money? I don't understand. I paid in full.
Yes, I must confess to you, I did not pay him all the money. Yes, I mean Chinonso. I did not pay him the full amount, you see.
Well, I think that is your problem. Fix it. I fulfilled every part of the deal. Go and fix this problem right now.
You see, I had some problems, urgent problems. So I decided to pay him half, with the understanding that I will pay him the balance later. But things did not work out the way I planned it, you see?
Threatening to expose everything. See, let me tell you, let me make this clear to you. Be rest assured I'm going to get the best of lawyers to clear my name.
Please, can you help me now? Please. Do you want them to know what we are doing? Do you want them to know what we are doing? He will expose us all. I'm trying to calm him down, but he's running out of patience. He's saying that he's going to expose everything. Expose everything. Eh?
You and Chinonso will go down from it. I will not go down from it. Alright, so if you know whatever you're going to do to fix this problem, please, I beg you, fix it. What? What nonsense?
Phew.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
Neka! Neka!
I'm in the kitchen.
You have been working since you came here. Please give yourself some rest. Huh? Only a while.
She's not feeling higher riches, she's not full.
Are you done?
I'm coming.
Banging my door like that. Who is that?
Open the door, Mazi! Huh?
What is it now?
Mazi!
Come. What is the problem? Why are you so agitated? Huh?
Mazi,
sit. Let's talk.
Mazi, this is not the time to sit down. I am very angry right now. What's going on? Let me tell you, Mazi. On my way out, I saw your daughter hugging and smiling with that village riffraff, Emeka. Huh? They were just hugging and laughing as if her life depended on it. What's going on? In broad daylight?
Hugging? How can that happen?
Mazi, I know what I saw there. I saw them laughing, smiling, doing all sorts of things. What is really going on? Mazi, please. You gave me your words. What's going on?
Okay, Ekene, please. Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I know what I saw out there. Don't tell me to calm down.
Hey, it's alright. I know how annoying it can be, okay? But leave this to me. Let me fix this, okay? I'll fix it.
Mazi Biko, fix this very, very fast. I want you to do everything within your power to fix this. Hence, I will forget she ever existed.
No, don't say that now. Please, just give me time, okay? Give me time. I promise you, Neka will not be seen with that idiot again. I promise you that.
Are you sure about this?
Very sure.
Please, I beg you. Biko.
Oh, it's all right. Sit down. Let me give you cola.
That side also. Look, Eric at the back of that plantain. Just from the ground, please. Dikeh, Aplomono. Yes.
Cut where? Cut where? You not tell me you're not cow. You not tell me you're not cow. I've warned you to stay away from my inheritance. Stay away from my father's land.
You said what? Your inheritance. I've told you already that you are not the legitimate son of my late brother.
Say what? Just repeat that thing.
What will you do?
Repeat what you just said now.
To kill me?
Repeat what you just said.
You don't have the guts. And you don't have the guts. Hey, come back here.
It's not by force. You cannot force me to marry him. No. You cannot just force me to marry him.
I say you must marry Ekene. You must! That is what is best for you and this family.
What is best for me? What is best for me is marrying someone I don't even know, a stranger.
Ah, come on. Does it take eternity to know someone? Huh? Look, what you need is respect, willingness, and it builds love. That is what marriage is all about.
Just respect and willingness?
Mm-hmm.
Papa, I don't even know this man. I don't love him. Understand me.
Look, it takes time. It takes time to build love. Look, do you think your mother and I married out of love? No! We built it!
Papa, I don't think you're understanding all this. I cannot possibly jeopardize my happiness for a man I don't even love. It's my life we're talking about here, not yours.
There is no jeopardy in this one.
Papa, you're just being selfish. You only care about your friendship with Mazin Madoka. You don't expect me to just accept this like this. It cannot work.
Let me tell you, what you need is just duty and commitment. That is what marriage is, and not fairy tale.
Look, Papa, I am not going to marry him. And that is fine now.
You will marry him, you are just joking. You must marry Kene. Why are you to tell me what you should do? No! I should be the one to tell you what you should do. You will marry Kene, whether you like it or not.
Please, don't.
You shouldn't be doing this now. You shouldn't be doing this. Why every time it's done for play? You scared me.
I didn't mean to scare you.
Sit.
Do you know, for a moment I thought you would use that.
Thought what? Sit. It's not every time you be playing. You know there's how this village is. So me, I'm staying guard. A lot happening in this village has made me paranoid. I'm protecting myself. So when that happened, I thought it's the enemies or something. Eh?
You're protecting yourself?
Of course. You're not aware what is going on.
That's why you have that machete ready for trouble.
What am I supposed to have before? Eh? It's machetes now. Is it because I'm not having a gun? I'm supposed to protect myself, but it's not for you. Of course you know. Hmm?
See, let me be your peace. You need to stop chasing shadows.
You know I'm not chasing shadows. I'm doing what is right. You know.
I have a suggestion. Have you thought about involving your family members At least they can intervene in the situation.
My family members that they've bought with money. Those ones, they've bribed them now. They can never say the truth, even when they know. Those ones have been bribed. I don't have any family member. It's just me fighting for what is mine.
Okay, another suggestion. Why don't you go and report to Dikeh? I'm very sure he will do something.
My love, you don't even understand what is happening in this village. It's like anyway, you don't know. It's when you put eyes on the ground, you will see that all these people are manipulators. Even the Igwe and Mazio Kafo, both of them are in this together.
Hey.
So, going to meet him, he will just laugh at you, at your back. He will tell them whatever I came to say. Leave them. About those people.
And then if you ask me, the best is to let go. Because this piece of land isn't worth your life.
What are you saying now? Are you the one saying this? When you're supposed to stand with me? I should let go what rightfully belongs to me? That means their claims are right now. I'm a bastard. Because for me to give up what I know is mine, my father's thing, that means I'm a bastard. How can you advise me of doing that? I should let them have what belongs to me? My inheritance? Ha! Nah, what you say?
Bim, you're not a bastard and you know it.
Then why are you telling me to give up what is mine?
I just don't want to lose you.
Nobody's losing me. Nobody. Now they will be the one to go. Yes.
You want to kill somebody?
Anyway, let me just not talk. Just not talk.
Calm down, Inugo. Just calm down. I just don't want anything to happen to you. Oh?
Nothing will happen to you. I'm not a fan of you.
What do you mean, Papa?
You will get that riffraff in trouble if you don't stop seeing him.
That's riffraff. He's the man that I love. Your hatred won't even change that, Papa.
Did you say love? Mind you, Nneka, an okra tree cannot outgrow its owner. You will learn that soon enough.
You cannot keep dictating what you want me to do. I am grown.
Nneka, it is in your best interest to marry Ekene. Emeka will remain a wasted dream.
Because he's poor? Because he's not your friend's son?
Listen to me, and listen very good. As long as I am alive, your union with Emeka will never happen. And guess what, my daughter? I am not dying anytime soon.
Hey, can I my son?
Hey!
Look at you.
Maziago.
Oh, my son. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
I couldn't pass by without coming to see you.
Oh, that is great. Let's go inside. Let me give you cola.
No. I just stopped briefly. I have something for you.
Really?
1 minute.
Hey, can I my son? Sio. Hi.
This is for you.
You see? What is this?
Goodies.
This is heavy.
I know. They are all for you.
Oh, thank you. It is gestures like this that prove to me that you are going to be very fine in-law.
Well, I want nothing more. As far as I'm concerned, once your daughter becomes my wife, I will do more.
Oh. And you've got her already. I'm telling you, take it to the bank.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
All right, Maza.
She's yours already.
It's all right. I'll be on my way now.
It's all right.
All right, take care.
Greet your people, eh?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi. Let's look at. Tobechukwu, why are you looking at me like that? Huh? Come here. I'm talking to you. Is it a bad thing to secure a good future for one's daughter? This boy, you are a very wicked person. Where are you, idiot? Come on, open this door for me. Can you see this boy? Tobechukwu! Tobechukwu! Problem. Why are you so agitated? Eh?
Mazi,
sit. Let's talk.
Mazi, this is not the time to sit down. I am very angry right now. What's going on? Let me tell you, Mazi. On my way out, I saw your daughter hugging and smiling with that village riffraff, Emeka. Huh? They were just hugging and laughing as if her life depended on it. What's going on? In broad daylight?
Hugging? How can that happen?
Mazi, I know what I saw there. I saw them laughing, smiling, doing all sorts of things. What is really going on? Mazi, please. You gave me your words. What's going on?
Okay, can I please just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I know what I saw out there. Don't tell me to calm down.
Hey, it's all right. I know how annoying it can be, okay? But leave this to me. Let me fix this, okay? I'll fix it.
Mazi Biko, fix this very, very fast. I want you to do everything within your power to fix this. Hence, I will forget she ever existed.
No, don't say that now. Please, just give me time, okay? Give me time. I promise you, Nneka will not be seen with that idiot again. I promise you that.
Are you sure about this?
Very sure.
Please, I beg you. Biko.
Oh, it's all right. Sit down, let me give you cola.
Tobechuku! Where is the water? Tobechuku! Remove the cover.
I'm sure that it's the thought of separating sister from brother Emeka that made you to choke.
Are you alright? Eh? Are you mad? How dare you talk to me like that? You want me to slap wisdom into that your empty skull? Eh? What do you mean about impressing anyone?
I love sister Nneka loves brother Emeka. And I can see that. And I'm just a child. Why can't you see it?
Look at this idiot. Eh? You can see what adults see. As in how? How can you understand what adults understand at this your young age? Idiot! Eh?
You have to return the money that Ekene gives to you. Return the gift. Because me and you know that sister won't get married to him. You have to just return it. Are you sure you don't want me to bring more water? You happen not want a rematch.
Come on, get that from there, idiot. I'm not fear.
Don't you, please. Can bring more water.
Are you still there?
Sorry.
George, you put your mouth or something like that. Children of these days, I wanted to leave part of the food for you, but you will not. Look, come and see the meat, oh. I will not give you anything from it. I'm eating everything. Idiot. Emeka, my boy. You see, I am that kind of person. I hate injustice. As a matter of fact, it burns my heart. What your uncle is doing is illegal. And I am prepared to help you to get back your land.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Uncle, you know, I didn't believe that someone will actually stand with me. Especially coming from you, I'm shocked. Thank you. Thank you.
No. You don't need to thank me. As you well know, something must give. As a matter of fact, I will help you to get back your land, but on one condition.
Condition?
Yes, I will do everything within my powers to ensure that you get back your land. But on the condition that you will end whatever it is you think, or rather you're doing with my daughter, Nneka.
So you're giving me the condition to live in Nneka?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
If I want to get my land back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that is why you invited me here? Because of this?
Have you looked at my daughter? She's schooled, beautiful. I mean, she deserves a better future, and that future I've already secured for her.
I heard what you said. You've made your point. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. The love I have for Nneka, your daughter, is not compared to a land, no money. The love I have for her is bigger than things of the world. So for that reason, I'm sorry, I cannot in any way leave the woman I love for a piece of land.
Come on, Emeka, just be reasonable here. Okay, be reasonable.
I can't do that, with all due respect. That's why you called me. I'll have to take my leave now. Please.
Really?
Yes, please.
Hey, Emeka. Wait. You are a fool. Yes. Walk out of this place without accepting my proposal, and you will lose everything.
Is that what you think?
Mm-hmm.
Even if I lose everything, at least I still have her love.
Are you daring me?
Thank you for the drink.
Love is stronger than any lies.
Alright.
Love is stronger
Chelsea.
than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather.
What are you doing there? What are you doing in my life? Are you not the one I'm talking to? What are you doing in my land?
Look, what is wrong with you?
What do you mean? What is
No,
wrong
what's wrong with you?
Are you
Are you still not working?
Which work? Huh? Working? Who gave you the audacity to work here? Eh?
Emeka, this land belongs to Mazi Okafor.
Who is my
He requested for my services, and that's what I'm doing.
Leave this land.
Emeka, stop.
Oh, no.
See, don't think you can
Leave
see,
here.
don't think you can intimidate everybody in this company.
Okay, I said leave here.
Emeka, nobody, I'm not. Emeka, please.
If I see you in this land again, if I see you,
Emeka, please, get out. Emeka, please. Emeka,
come on, run out. I said,
Emeka, sorry.
Dear Allah.
Mazi, I've told you everything. That young man, Emeka, is not bluffing. He's really out for blood.
I have told you, Chinonso. You will go back and continue what you are doing. That land belongs to me. That boy called Emeka, no matter how angry he is, he cannot dictate to me what happens there.
No, Mazi, I can't go back to that land though. The other boy has already fled. Nobody wants to die for farmland.
Are you saying that my authority means nothing? That I cannot protect my workers? Is that what you're saying?
Ma, it's not about your authority. It's about Emeka's rage. That young man almost strangled me to death.
Then why are you standing here alive? Do you think that Emeka's back is worse than his bite?
He's not just backing. Emeka is out to bite, and when he bites, he's going to be fatter. You've not seen this young man in action. You've not seen him.
And you think that running away solve this problem? By cowering. That I, Mazi Okafor, will allow Emeka to claim what belongs to me. No. It's not done.
Mazi, it's not about being a coward. It's not about being it's about standing on my ground. It's about survival. How can you be asking us to fight a man who has absolutely nothing to lose?
That means all of you are cowards. Chinonso, where is the loyalty? Where is the unity of the people under my leadership?
Man, it's not about loyalty. Will loyalty bring back lives? No, if you have strangled me to death, will loyalty bring me back alive?
It's fine. You can go.
What did you say?
Leave that land for now. But I must tell you this. I will not allow Emeka's madness to stand. He needs war, and I will give it to him. To the extent he will come to this my house and say, Uncle, I am sorry. Take it from me. So you can go.
Emeka, you are biting more than you can chew. Emeka, you are very young and reckless. Why stirring up chaos for a land you don't have any claim to? Any rightful claim whatsoever?
Nah, how can an old man like you, be shying away from the truth? Are you not supposed to be saying the truth? Do you still have much time on this earth? Who doesn't know that land belongs to my late father? Who doesn't know in this village that land belongs to my late father? And you know it. It's not easy to say the truth. You're being corny. That I'm shying away from the truth, for fighting what rightfully belongs to me.
You talk out of turn, boy. That land ceased to belong to Nnamdi, my brother, the moment he borrowed money from me.
Nobody borrowed anything from you.
You used that land.
Nobody borrowed anything. If my father had borrowed money from you, he must have told me.
He used that land as collateral. He used it as collateral. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me show you. Maybe you are not aware.
Which stupid collateral?
Wait.
If my father had borrowed money, he must have told me.
This is the proof.
Which proof?
He could not be able to pay back.
Which proof? Leave this agreement. I could not mind these people. Don't mind this. I don't know where he got this from. My father never borrowed any money from him.
Emeka, maybe you don't know. Let us not forget that you are not his legitimate son.
No. No. The one that I will not take is to insult my mother. I will not take that one. No. You can forge any document, but to insult my mother. Just repeat what you just said now. Emeka, repeat that nonsense you just said now.
Emeka, this is not the proper way to approach an elder.
Who's to be the elder?
We are here to seek the truth. And not silence the
Uncle, please, just say anything. I want to live here.
But this is the truth now.
Which truth?
Look at the agreement here now.
This is not truth.
Self-righteous man. That is why you are envious of me. You will twist any statement, anything, to make sure that you oppose me.
God,
this is not between you and I. It's about justice.
Uncle, please, I want to live here. I'm still standing here because of you.
Okay. Enough of this back and forth. Emeka, leave us. How dare you? How dare you ask him to leave us? Are you normal at all? We will reconvene to decide this matter.
Sure, I'm leaving. I know you're the only truthful elder here. Leave this too.
This is our family land. This land represents our family history. Every soil on this ground represents our family name. Every cassava cultivated here, every yam harvested from this place, they all sing our family name.
Papa, it feels warm.
Yes, that's because it's alive. It's actually breathing. It is breathing with the rhythm of our family name. Your grandfather cultivated on this land. Your great-grandfather cultivated on this same land. Today, your father is cultivating on this land. Tomorrow, it will be your turn to cultivate on this land. And you shall still hand over to the next generation.
Did they love this land as much as you do?
Even much more than you can ever imagine. They protected this land from the eyes of wicked and unreasonable men. A lot of people wanted to take this land away from them. Some even wanted to buy it at all costs, not knowing that the land was not meant to be sold. I'm telling you today, my son,
don't let the enemies take away this land from you when it gets to your turn.
But Papa, if I may ask, what if they want to take the land by force? What do I do then?
My son, protect this land with everything you have, as though your entire life, your entire existence is dependent on this land. Do not allow the enemy for any reason to take this land away from you, because it is our family history. If this land is taken away from you, our history has been erased from this planet Earth. So you have to protect this land with every bit of you. I want you to promise me that you are going to protect this land, that on no account should this land slide away from your hand. Promise me that.
I promise, Papa. I promise.
Death. Death. Let you do this one. But imagine what these people are saying. Would they ever say this thing if you're still alive, Papa? Would they ever? Just look at how they are frustrating me. Your brother. The man you call your brother. Papa. Ha! Ha! I wish you can just come and fight. But I promise you, you have me here. I will fight with everything in me to make sure that I take what rightfully belongs to me. Because you told me. You told me. Now they are fabricating stories. Because you're no longer with us. Never to worry.
That boy is causing problem, and he must be stopped. The documents I brought proves everything. His father borrowed money from me. I used that land as collateral. Nobody will deny it. You people knows about it.
Okafor, you presented a paper that cannot speak, and the only witness is dead. And don't forget that there's no one to confirm your claim. And are we sure that the loan was truly given to your brother as you claim?
Kachuku, I understand your doubts, but we cannot disregard the evidence.
A man's legacy cannot rest on a mere document that is not verified, and more so, one that cannot be challenged by anyone.
Are you accusing me of lying? Kachuku, are you suggesting that I fabricated this?
I am saying that it is not enough, it is not sufficient. It is a tool of manipulation, not proof.
Kachuku, we cannot just disregard the evidence. There must be some truth in it.
We cannot condemn the boy without a solid and traceable proof. Otherwise, we risk destroying the boy's future and legacy.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You want me to prove to you what is already clear? Kachuku. Eh?
I cannot sit here and watch a child's future been taken by deceit. Show us something real, something solid. We cannot present that document to the Igwe as evidence.
Kachuku. No problem. It's all right. If you say so. But let he or his mother bring evidence to us that the father, Nnamdi, did not collect any loan from Okafor.
Your request screams bias.
And what does yours scream? Tell us. Tell us.
Will not accept complicit in greed while there is still honor left in some of us.
Quick one, I want us to talk. It's something bothering me. You know, Mazi Okafor. Mazi Okafor said I am not the biological son of my father. And that leaves me worried. So I want to ask you, and I want you to tell me the truth, and nothing but the truth. Don't mind how I'm going to feel. Just tell me.
Hi.
Is it true?
Hi. Mazi Okafor's tongue is sharper than a serpent bite. Manacherikwa, are you letting his lies trouble you, Mama?
No, Mama. Just that he says that at every slightest opportunity, and I'm human. He keeps saying it every now and then. You know, but it's fine. I believe you. Of course, I believe you.
My son, it's because Mazi Okafor is a desperate man. Mazi Okafor can tell you that this sky is green, all for him to achieve his wicked agenda. Don't let that bother you, Mama.
It's fine, Mama. It's fine. Because if at all he's saying the truth, why didn't he say it when Papa was alive?
And your father will shut him up for good.
Chioka.
Trust your father now.
And then again, he said something about Papa borrowed money from him. So they use the land as collateral. Did he discuss anything like that?
Never. Never. My son, your father was a proud man. Though Mazi Okafor offered to give him a loan. But your father rejected it because he wanted that land as a collateral. Yes. Your father told him that that land belongs to his son. He told him that that land is for a maker. That he rather dies than release that land.
So that means that man has been eyeing that land even when Papa was alive. He didn't start today.
My son, you have to be very careful. You don't fight fire with fire.
Mama, leave this one for me. I've confirmed what I need to hear. Okay? Leave me and Ichi Okafor. Continue with your...
Mazi Okafor is a
Mama,
dangerous
continue
man,
with your...
Biko Nwamo. Hey! Biko, he's a dangerous man. You are my only son, no?
Who brought this?
Well, that is your aqua alcohol. Yes, you see, Ekene brought it himself. He came from the city to give it to us here. He's going to open his shopping mall at the city in 2 months' time.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Good for him.
See. He said you are going to wait as his special guest on that day.
No, I won't be there. I have no business going there.
Come on, don't be ridiculous. We have to be there. Huh?
Papa, please, just take these gifts back to him. I sincerely do not need them. Biko, please.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings.
Mama, stop telling me that. My father's land given to Okafor, that will never happen. Over my dead body.
Emeka, please don't make things worse. Biko,
Mama, stop telling me don't make things worse. How can the Igwe believe such ridiculous lie? A document, forged document that is clear, is a forged document. The signature there is not even Papa's signature. How can he believe such ridiculous lie from a man that has been fighting to take over that land even when Papa was alive? Huh? Are you not saying, is it not clear to you that they know what they are doing? They're all in this together. They're all in this together.
You know your father wouldn't want this fight. He believed in peace.
It is not my father. Can never be my father. My father will be happy wherever he is to see that I'm fighting for what rightfully belongs to me. He will be happy because that's the land he stood, he cried, he sweat. In fact, he did everything in that land. Only for riffraffs to claim what is not theirs. This way is mad. He's mad. Wherever he's very stupid.
Mazoka is a dangerous man, no?
Me, I'm more dangerous than him.
Biko,
very dangerous than him.
You are my only son, Biko. Igwe have spoken.
Which has spoken? And who made his judgment the final judgment? He has made his judgment. Me, I will still continue. After this, we'll go for another case. For that land, let them take it. Let me see.
You are my only son, oh.
Maziago, this is going out of hands. Your daughter Nneka just told me she won't attend after all my efforts.
My son, calm down, okay? I've told you to relax. She will eventually dance to our tune.
Mazi, are you sure Emeka has not cast a spell on her?
Spell? At this jet age? Nah. Look, he is simply her first love. That is why she's very comfortable with him.
Comfortable, you say?
Mm-hmm.
The only thing that riffraff Emeka can do for your daughter is to give her a life of struggle and hardship. Nothing more. Please, Nneka should not stoop so low for that low life. Mba.
Ekene, my son, leave everything to me. Okay? She will be yours. As for the commissioning of your shopping mall, don't worry. She will be by your side. Trust me.
Mazi, are you sure about this?
Don't worry. Consider it done, okay?
Well, that will mean a lot to me.
Just consider it done.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
Finally. Where did you keep your phone? I've been trying to reach you all day.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Just the case today. Hey! That little bastard thinks that he can drag that lad with me. He must rot in jail. Okaf, you are very greedy. Eh? And I told you I will not allow this to slide. Where is my own part of the agreement that we agreed on? You are share? Yes, my money. Amadi, I owe you nothing. I owe you nothing, Amadi. From paying your wife's hospital bill to giving you money time to time. Miss, you have taken enough. Is that part of the agreement? I have settled you enough. And Amadi, look, don't push me. Don't push me. Oh, don't push you. Yewa, Okafo. Oh. If you make me to get angry, I will do more than talk. Eh? If not because I could have, dealt with you. All these are empty threats. You don't scare me. But do your worst. I said, do your worst. What is this? Okafo. You want me to do my worst? Okay, Napamia. You might pay with your life.
Am I interrupting something here?
Akajugu. No, not at all. We are just having little tete-a-tete, okay?
Very friendly talk.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Very sure now.
You can have it.
That's why you can. Like as we are saying that.
How are you?
Okay. What's this?
This is the contact of a logistics company that I supply goods to in the city.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and I spoke to them about you. She's willing to offer you a job, and this is going to help in every possible way.
Look, I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
What do you mean you're not interested?
I'm not interested. I don't want to work. Work is not my problem.
Wait, I don't understand. You would rather while away your time in this village and fight over a piece of land?
But fighting for what belongs to me is never whiling away my time. It's me doing the right thing.
But the land does not belong to you.
Says who?
Says the Igwe.
Who is the Igwe? Who is the Igwe?
Obim, he warned you not to step your feet on that land again.
And you think I will not step my foot in the land? Is that what you think? Because the Igwe, I'm not leaving this village until I recover that land. Hey. I will not leave this village until I get what rightfully belongs. Until they leave that land for me. For me to go, leave the village. If I leave, that means they've won now.
See, there's something you're not understanding. You need money. You need so much money to fight someone like your uncle. Okay, well, how do you intend to actualize what you're even saying now?
I have a plan.
My heart is shattered. I'll be a mawagama. I'll be more. Oh God, my hands are clean. Chimo, Bianyeremaka. Akamo, Iwe no na jurabimu. Obimba wana rere jurabimu. Amara na wana na mune shirimuke.
Mazi. Mazi.
Keep knocking. Stop shouting. Just keep knocking.
Mazi Okafor.
What's going on, man?
Where must he have gone? Mazi Okafor.
Are you sure somebody is there?
I don't think so. Where could he have gone to?
Maybe at the farm now.
Leaving his door open.
This is strange.
Let me check the market.
Okay. Be fast about it, please. Maz! What? Tonto? Tonto, are you okay?
Dikeh! Dikeh through! Hey! Hey!
This one is dead.
Dikeh!
What happened?
Hey! Dikeh, he killed him. He killed him, Dikeh! Dikeh, he killed him!
All is not well.
Problem, how? What happened?
Your uncle, he's dead.
My uncle is dead, how? How's that possible?
You didn't know?
No?
Are you sure? Are you sure you didn't have a hand in his death?
What? Is that what you think of me?
Yes, now, because all the problems you two were having, maybe you mistakenly...
How? That I'm fighting for my land, does that make me a murderer? What are you saying?
Hey, wait, there's another problem. Your cutlass. It was found next to his body.
My cutlass?
Yes!
How? That's not that place I keep my cutlass, if not you now. Hmm? I'm sure that I kept.
Hey!
Is he the one?
Yes! That's him. What happened?
That's Emeka the murderer.
He's
Emeka the murderer. Arrest him.
Mr. Emeka Namdi, you are under arrest for the murder of Mazi Okafor.
For who? How?
Officer, is it not?
I don't know anything about any
Our advice you remain silent for whatever you say now or do will be used against you in the court.
How? I'm innocent.
Officer,
this is a bad work. I'm innocent. I don't know anything about anything. I'm innocent.
You cannot deny it. You're a liar. The blood on your hand cannot wash it away easily.
Officer,
take him away.
Move him.
I'm innocent.
Officer is innocent. Officer, you cannot move him. He's innocent.
My elders, I am begging you, please. Emeka, my son, is innocent. He cannot kill his own blood. Eh? He's not capable of such evil. Bikonu.
I will look into this. Justice must be fair, not rushed. If Emeka is truly innocent, we'll find out the truth.
Kachuku, do I hear you clearly say fair? That boy's guilt is as clear as daylight. The Igwe judgment drove him mad. He wanted a revenge. Simple.
Hey! Amandi, he didn't do this. Don't just condemn him so quickly, Bikonu. Eh? Bikonu. Eh?
You are talking about condemn. He is the one that condemned himself the very moment he took that man's life. And I must make sure he faces the full wrath of the law.
Ah! Hey! Amadi Bikonu, I am begging you, he didn't do this. Oh, for the sake of truth, oh, Amadi. Bikonu. Emeka is my only son, oh.
Don't lose hope, eh?
Okay.
I will see what I can do to help your son.
Thank you, Mazika Chufu.
Okay, calm down.
Oh, Chufu Gozibego. My God will bless you. Thank you. Oh.
My heart is shattered. Oh, dear, my God, oh, dear. Oh God, my hands are clean.
Enough of this. It's all okay. Okay? Pull yourself together.
You will not understand that.
I do. Believe me, I do. Listen, if a child is persistently pointing in a particular direction, it's either the father is there or the mother is there. A stream or river cannot drown someone whose feet it cannot see. And of course, there is no smoke without fire. So, I don't want you to cry over someone who does not deserve your tears. You should be celebrating. We should be celebrating that he has been exposed. Yes. He's wicked. Look, that man is mean, wicked, and unscrupulous. Someone who could kill just because of material things. Is that somebody that deserves your tears? Huh? What you should do right now, is to concentrate on Ekene. Someone who truly loves you. Someone with a promising future. In fact, his present situation now, his financial situation now is very, very good. We are not even talking of the future. That man has money and he can take care of you. So don't waste your love on someone who does not deserve it at all. A murderer. That man is a murderer, so forget about him. Stop crying now. Stop worrying. Ekene will take care of you. Don't cry.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather, and it brings you back to the one who truly loves you better. Oh baby, your love go through the fire, through the storm.
You look troubled.
Papa, is it true what they're saying in this village?
What are they saying?
That Uncle Chika wants to take our land. And you're planning to...
Do something bad to stop him? Who told you that?
I overheard it from Auntie Former.
Listen, my daughter. A man's name is his legacy. Very, very important. When he is no more, it is the name that remains. So, do you think I will stain my hands just because of a piece of land?
But what if he takes it from us? What now happens?
Neka. Yes, our land is important to us. Yes, it feeds us. Okay, puts food on our table. It is our life, no doubt. But a man's life is sacred. Okay? So, no property, no land, nothing material is so important as to worth claiming another man's life.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather.
I'm not leaving this village until I recover that land. I will not leave this village until I get what rightfully belongs. Until they leave that land for me. For me to go, leave the village. If I leave, that means they've won now.
I don't want you to cry over someone who does not deserve your tears. You should be celebrating. We should be celebrating that he has been exposed. Yes.
Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love will conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love will conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love will conquer. My love, we have been through test. Now we are stronger. We are standing again. You have been to the depth of sorrow and pain. Oh, but your love has risen. You are standing again.
Nick,
I know this isn't easy for you. I understand how you feel. You know, seeing someone you think you know, someone you trust so much with everything in you, do abominable things you can't even imagine he can do.
Emeka did not do it.
Well, I understand. I do. I want to believe that too. But you see, the evidences are everywhere. Littered and scattered everywhere. Even Emeka can't deny it.
What do you want, Ekene? Why are you here?
I'm here because of you. Can't you see that? I'm here because I want to make you my wife. You're everything I ever wanted, Neka. Huh? See, this life is so empty without you. Make it whole for me. I have built a life. I have built a world I am proud of. And without you in it, it's so empty. So empty, can't you see it? Be my wife.
I can't.
No, you can. Right? Allow me to take care of you. I will take care of you. I will make you know that love still exists.
The games you play,
Neka.
lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife.
She's so stubborn.
She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame.
Meka, please. You have to understand. I don't even know what is going on anymore. It's just that everything feels so overwhelming.
Meka, you don't need to say any further. You don't need to say much. I understand what you're trying to say.
No, Meka, it's not that.
You have concluded, you have chosen your path. That is what you want. It's fine.
Honey, it's not what I mean. It's not what I mean. You need to understand that I'm confused. Amy.
Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather.
Enke. Hi, my daughter. Look, you look ravishingly beautiful. See, this is the right thing to do. Huh? Ikede is a good man. He will take good care of you.
I don't think so, Papa. Have you thought of what people will think of me? Leaving Emeka in a situation like this?
Rather, people will see you as a wise person. Yes, someone who chose wisdom over sentiment. Believe me. Okay? Yes. Listen, look, Emeka is no longer your body. Ikene is the future. You have to go. I'm sure it's the one. Don't you go? Get the door. You have to go. I'm sure it's the one. Okay. Ikene is the future. So just calm down. Talk of the angel.
Neka. You look so beautiful.
That's my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
She's all yours, okay? Make sure you take good care of her.
I will. I mean, she's everything I ever wanted. My darling, shall we?
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. Guinea She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. She play the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife. She's not fooled.
Oh, wait.
Ekene, is anything the matter?
I just want to thank you for coming out here with me tonight. Really means a lot to me. See, I know you're going through rough part. I know it isn't easy for you. I can say it. I believe with time, you will get comfortable with me. Well, as for the business I told you earlier, after our marriage, I am going to make you a big shareholder. You're going to take charge of that business.
You need to get going. It's getting pretty late.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. Guinea She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. She play the lies you lie.
NK. So tell me, how did it go?
If you are so desperate to know how it went, why don't you go to him? I'm sure he'll be so obliged to let you know.
In your world of rocks,
I hope this girl has not gone there to embarrass herself. Where is my phone? Where did I throw this phone?
But she is already taken by a love that is
Mazi, you know, your daughter is very educated. And with her university degree, I believe she will take my businesses to the next level.
Wait. Are you saying you want to involve my daughter in your businesses?
Mazi, not just getting her involved. Okay? See, your daughter is very intelligent. She's educated. She's smart and brave. In fact, I want to make her the managing director of my companies. The chains of my businesses here and abroad. And with her help, I believe my business will strive even greater than what it is right now. So I trust her completely.
Huh. Now I understand you. You are a very smart boy. You've thought through everything. Okay. That's a smart one.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
You know, Mazi, there's something with these workers of nowadays. I don't trust them completely. I mean, I won't sit here and allow people to ruin what I have built for so many years. But as for your daughter, making her the managing director of all my businesses, I can confidently give her a vote of confidence that she will do well. I trust her completely, Mazi.
Wow. I can see that you've thought through everything.
I did.
Okay. It's all right. And I can assure you that Nick and I will ensure that your plans go through. Okay? You have my support 100%. Okay?
Mazi, your support means a lot to me. You've always been so supportive. I don't know how to thank you. Mazi, please, I have a meeting to attend.
Wait, let me give you cola before you leave.
No. I'm no longer a stranger here. I am family now.
You won't say no next time.
I will not.
Okay.
All right. All right, sir.
Greet your people. Huh?
Goodbye, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Papa.
Yes?
Why are you forcing Nika to get married to Ikene? She doesn't like him. And the only one I see benefiting from all this is you. And
will you keep quiet? What is wrong with you? How dare you talk to me in that manner? Huh? You're only a kid. Why would you involve yourself in matters that involve adults? Huh?
But Papa...
My friend, carry your food and leave here now. Idiot! If you are here, pay from here again. My friend, carry your food and get out of here. If I break your head, idiot. Come on, get out from here. Try that nonsense again.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled.
Ne, your food is here. Come and eat.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I'd rather go.
Ne, but you need food. You need strength. Bikono, eat. Even if it's 2 spoons, please now, you've not eaten since.
Neka, is it true?
What?
Is it true that they are going to kill my son?
Ne, where did you get that from?
Everyone is saying it. That they are going to kill him because he killed his uncle.
Ne, they won't. There is no solid evidence.
It was solid evidence. When his cutlass was found there, everybody knows that that cutlass belongs to Emeka woman.
True, Ne, but with a good lawyer, we can help vindicate him. Because someone might have stolen the cutlass here and kept it there.
Good lawyer.
Yes.
Neka, you need a lot of money to get a good lawyer. And I can benefit myself.
Ne, please, just eat first. Please now. Nobody is killing
Let me
you.
eat because leave me alone. This land dispute between Emeka and his uncle. I told Emeka to leave this thing. You know what's going to be fair. Kevin, a little one. Eh? Look at up for my people. Hey.
My heart is shattered. Oh, be a bawago, oh, be more. Akamo, your child. Oh, be a bawago. Oh, God. Akamo, my hands are clean. Chimo, be a remaka. Akamo, your child. Oh, be a bawago. Akamo, your child. Oh, be a bawago. He went on to Nigeria. Obimba wana rere jurobi. Amara na wana na mumeshiri.
Papa, good evening.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend.
Liar! You are a liar! You think I don't know where you went? You went to Emeka's place to see the mother! Look at you.
Papa, she needed help.
Oh, she needed help. She needed help. And you are the right person to help her. Let me tell you, the only two families you should be concerned about right now are our family and the Ekenes. They are your future in-laws and not the family of that convict.
Papa, she's suffering. She's just a poor widow whose only son was...
Just shut up! Shut up! Look, I've got it up to here. Your stubbornness is up to here. Let me tell you, Emeka's family is dead to us. Can you hear me? Dead! Now, Ekene was here and he told me about his plans for you. Very beautiful plans for your future. Okay? So, he is somebody you should be aligning with now. A very beautiful future that you should be grateful for. And not clinging to that sham. Is that understood? Now get out of my sight. Leave my sight.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines.
I'm doing my best, sir. But I have to be careful. This is very complicated, as is the hardest thing that I have to do. I understand. I do. Thank you so much for your assistance.
Your love go through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. My love, we have been through test. Now we are stronger, we are standing again. You have been to the depth of sorrow and pain. Oh, but your love has risen. You are standing again. Oh, oh my love, we are standing again. Standing again, our love is stronger. Oh yeah, yeah. Our enemies has fallen. They try to destroy what we shared. They try to destroy our love, but it only grows stronger.
How many times do you have to call me? Eh? Calm down now. I told you I am working on it. Look, I know your need for money, okay? But you also have to understand the situation I find myself. Yes. So, look, you will get your share when I get the money. Yes. But please, delete that text message that you sent me. Yes. Yes. Delete it so that you don't implicate us. I will also delete my own. It's all right. Bunch of impatient people. Just calm down, you know, calm down.
Ah, Marciago. My in-law to be. Your hospitality is unmatched. This wine, it's so perfect. Very perfect.
You know me.
Marciago,
Yes.
you have set the bar high. And for your information, we're not leaving this your house in a hurry.
You see?
In any case, you are always welcome to my house anytime, any day. Okay. Yes. As a matter of fact, in no distant time, you are going to metamorphose from being visitors to landlords.
Oh, really? I am sure our wife will take after her father's hospitable nature.
Yes, uncle. I mean, she's everything you can find in a woman. I'm telling you, that's why I'm going for her.
You see, she'll be here soon. Yes. I made this as a surprise to her, but I was told that she left very early this morning to the park to send some goods to the city. So, yes, I actually wanted to surprise her. Yes, yes.
This has proven that our wife will be so industrious and hardworking. No wonder you have not left looking at her.
Uncle, I can never go wrong with my choice of woman. Never. In fact, I can't wait to start a life with her.
Oh, really? If you say so. Cheers.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife, but she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi, she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife, she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
What?
How? What did they come here to do?
I don't know. They were just talking about knocking on the door. I don't even understand.
What? Knocking on?
Stop, wait now.
Enke, you are welcome. Ekene is here with the uncle. They are here to see you.
Ekene, we need to talk outside. Now!
I hope all is well.
Yes, it's all is well, uncle. My in-law to be.
Yes.
Let me go and attend to her. You know these girls. Maybe she's in a bad mood. Let me go and brighten her day.
And talk to her.
I'll be right back.
Just take it easy.
My in-law, you know these children. They know how to sort themselves out.
Ekene, what are you doing in my father's house with your uncle? Don't touch me. Answer me.
Well, I've come to express my intent to marry you.
Marry me? Wait. You think we're in a stone age where you can just see someone and just marry them without even knowing them?
Nneka, I've known you enough. What else do you want me to know about you?
Enough? Enough to just bring your uncle to my house. Look, we're not even in a relationship. Let alone, we're not even friends.
That is why I'm telling you to give me a chance to become your friend. Allow me to be the man you deserve. Huh? Come on,
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife. She's not.
Nneka, I want to apologize for what happened the last time. I'm sorry I didn't tell you before coming with my uncle to see your father. I apologize. Please, I'm sorry.
I'm glad you now know that what you did was wrong.
I know, and I take full responsibility of my actions.
Better.
If you'll oblige me, I would like to take you out to a nice restaurant so we can eat. Order anything you want, just to show you that I am really sorry.
Eat? Did I tell you I'm hungry?
No. I didn't say that. It's just a way of saying I am sorry. Just a meant for what I did. Please don't say no.
Hey, don't touch me. I can go. You don't have to touch me.
Okay, thank you.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. Guinea She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I'm making her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. Guinea She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
It's just generator. I've been fixing a lot of it. Don't worry.
Sounds convincing.
I know.
See, I think I should call Tobenna. I feel he's faster than you.
Keep teasing, don't worry, I will get it. I know what I am doing, just relax. Give me just a few seconds.
You seem so persistent.
Yes, it's just a generator, okay? I am persistent because you want it. Just relax, calm down. I will fix it.
Okay. Let's see if your persistence gets it to work.
It will.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention.
Good evening.
You look good.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my God, I can't get enough of you.
Okay, so Where are we going from here?
Okay. We'll go to the market first, then get some stuffs. Then we'll go to my house. But I promise to bring you back home.
I see. Okay.
With you.
It's fine. It's fine.
She's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. In your world of luxury and gold, you see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire, but she is already taken by your love.
Nika, thank you so much for taking out your time to be out with me tonight. It's something that really means a lot to me.
I had so much fun. It was actually worth my time.
We could do this every day if you don't mind.
Every day?
Uh-huh.
We could do the same thing. And no, I think we're going to get bored.
Bored, you say? Mm-hmm. With you? Oh, come on. You are the highlight of my day.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? We could visit your mall.
My mall?
Yes.
I thought you once said you don't want to have anything to do with my mall.
Come on, things are changing. We're friends now. I could just tour around the mall before the grand opening. What do you think?
All right, it will be my pleasure to do that.
Okay. Pick me up tomorrow at noon. Would that be fine?
I will not be a second late.
And don't forget my share before the grand opening.
Consider it done.
Okay.
Done.
All right. Bye. Good night.
Take care. Be expecting your call.
All right. Bye.
Oh my God. This is good. Sounds so nice.
You're falling for it, haven't you? All of it. How could you let them manipulate you like that? And now Brother Emeka is left to rot in jail. How could you do this to him?
How dare you speak of what you know nothing about? How dare you, Tobenna?
You just sounded like him. You even speak the way you speak the way he does.
I don't blame you.
Mama. Mazin Nabisi was here earlier today. He said something. That means Mazi Okafor. Mazi Okafor has been saying the truth all this while.
Truth about what?
I want you to tell me the truth. Mama. I said, I want you to tell me the truth. Who is my biological mother? Who is my biological father? Am I your biological son?
Emeka, now is not the time for this. What matters is to get
Mama, what I'm asking you matters to me.
Tell me the truth. Tell me what I need to hear. Mama.
Emeka, you are my son. Does it matter if I'm the one that gave birth to you?
Does it matter? Does it matter, you say? Mama, so you've been lying to me all this while. Mama, I asked you repeatedly. So you've been lying to my face? You've been lying to my face?
Emeka, I took you in when you were small, when you were still a baby. I have always loved you as my son. Blood or not, you are mine.
You never think it's wise to tell me.
I mean, I didn't want you to feel different.
You never think it's wise to tell me. And I've been living the life of lies all these years.
You will not understand.
I will not understand what? I will not understand what, Mama? That you look me in the face and lie to me all the time?
I think that was the best thing for you. Doesn't matter. I still love you as my son.
You know what I need to know.
Emeka, my son. You were abandoned at the hospital where I worked as a cleaner in the city. Your mother gave birth to you and left you there.
I was abandoned.
Yes. When I told my husband, he said I should take you in as our son. We took you in as our own child because we couldn't have any child of our own. Emeka, you were our miracle. It was the best way to hide our shame. When we came back to the village, we created a story, and we made a vow to keep the secret. It was a secret we swore to take to our grave. Make her become our own. No matter what, you are still my son. I love you very much. Emeka.
I should have known. There was no point fighting for it. I don't belong here. I don't belong here. I shouldn't have.
You're supposed to be there. Emeka, that land belongs to you. That land is your father's land. It's your inheritance. Blood or not, you are still our son.
Oh God, I can walk more, my hands are clean. Chino,
Surprise!
Nega, you came.
I thought you would be more thrilled to see me. Maybe I should just leave.
No, please. Come. Honestly, I thought you were joking when you told me you were coming.
I felt you'll be prepared.
Please sit. Sit. Make yourself comfortable. Yeah. Please, so what do I offer you?
Anything is fine.
I have red wine, Hennessy, whiskey, just anyone.
No, I don't take alcohol. Soft is fine.
Soft.
Yes.
Juice will be better.
Okay.
Just a minute.
No, so what are you doing? Sitting like this will not help Mama.
Can't you see? Yadama, can't you see? Am I not trying my best?
Your best? Your best is not enough. Mama's sickness is getting worse every day. Do you want her to die? Ha!
Don't you ever say that again. Don't ever say that again. I'll figure out what to do. I promise.
You promise? Promises don't pay hospital bills. You are the first son of this house. It's your responsibility to fix this. If Mama dies, it will be on your head. You better do something. Hey.
What's
You
the
start to play.
I know, I'm sorry. What did you tell me? What's it? What are you preparing?
Abana soup?
Abana soup?
Yes. You don't like it?
Wait. How did you know?
It's your favorite. Look, I can actually guess anything and it's true.
Mercy.
Okay, I'm guilty.
You're guilty.
Yes.
Sorry, a minute.
You should take that. It can actually be important.
No, it's not important.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
But since the person calling from that end thinks it's important.
It's not. Okay? It's not very. So,
I'll get the rest.
Just pick your call. Please pick your call.
No, so. Mama is shaking. She's having a convulsion.
It's not.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I make your wife.
Look at us. This actually shows how stubborn you are and how far you can go to get what you want. Right?
Neka, what makes a man is the ability to pursue what he believes in. That's exactly what I've done. We are here, so I'm proud of myself for doing that.
In other words, it's Safe to say that I have the secret to your success.
Somewhat. Just somewhat. See, sometimes a man needs to be calculative. Ruthless. You won't understand. See, nothing good comes easy, nigga. Nothing good.
Talking about the food, you didn't actually rate me. My cooking.
Oh, my bad. Pardon me. This is actually nice. Best meal I've ever had.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy yourself, please.
You manipulate, you deceive, you lie, you implicate him in a crime he didn't commit at all. Abozikisi
Amadi, I was coming to see you.
Young man, is this how you approach an elderly man? Eh? Have you lost your manners?
Apologies.
Accepted. And what is it that is taking you to my house? Why is it so important?
Dikeh, I've been trying to reach Ekene. I've been calling him. He has not been taking my calls.
Why are you so desperate to reach him?
You know, the business we did. I know what I did for Ekene. Now he's busy, parading himself everywhere with his girlfriend, while the innocent young man is rotting in jail.
Young man, watch your tongue. You speak very recklessly. Do you want all of us to be exposed?
I know he takes your call. Tell him to fulfill his own part of the deal. Because if my mother dies, if anything happens to my mother, I will not keep quiet. I'm going to expose everybody that's into this.
Feel good. So good.
Hello? Ekene? Are you alone?
No. I'm not alone. What is it?
Go to somewhere safe. Yes, there's trouble brewing.
Ijamadi, what do you mean that Chinoso needs more money? I don't understand. I paid in full.
Yes, I must confess to you, I did not pay him all the money. Yes, I mean Chinoso. I did not pay him the full amount, you see.
Well, I think that is your problem. Fix it. I fulfilled every part of the deal. Go and fix this problem right now.
You see, I had some problems, urgent problems. So I decided to pay him half. with the understanding that I will pay him the balance later. But things did not work out the way I planned it, you see?
Threatening to expose everything. See, let me tell you, let me make this clear to you. Be rest assured I'm going to get the best of lawyers to clear my name.
Please, can you help me now? Please. Do you want them to know what we are doing? Do you want them to know what we are doing? He will expose us all.
I'm trying to calm him down, but he's running out of patience. He's saying that he's going to expose everything. Expose everything. Eh?
You and Chinonso will go down from it. I will not go down from it. Alright, so if you know whatever you're going to do to fix this problem, please, I beg you, fix it. What? What nonsense?
Phew.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
Neka! Neka!
I'm in the kitchen.
Ah, you have been working since you came here. Please give yourself some rest. Huh? What are you while?
She's not feeling higher riches, she's not full.
Are you done?
I'm coming. I have enough evidence. Emeka's phone call with Uncle Amade. It's enough to take them to the police.
No, it's not enough. Hearsay won't stand in the court. You need evidence that screams the truth, not whispers it.
But I've done everything. What else do I need?
Dig deeper. Find the connections and follow the tracks. You need a proof that leaves no doubt.
Uncle, I am already close to Ikene. People are talking. They are calling me a betrayal and a gold digger.
Let them talk. Noise will not save Emeka from the hangman. Evidence will. If you truly love Emeka as you claim, then stay focused.
Uncle, I love him. But this role, it seems impossible.
But necessary. You are his only chance. Can't you see it? You are his only chance.
She told me everything. Everything that she's been hiding from me. She told me how it came to be. So if you look at this now, you see there is nothing I'm fighting for. Everything is gone. I don't have a family. I don't have my freedom. I don't have the land. What else?
Obin, please. Don't you dare give up. I'm going to stand with you in this. In no distant time, you will walk out freely from this place. Believe me. Please. You can't give up now.
Has Ekene tried to touch you?
No. No, Bim. He cannot touch me. I have a control over everything.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared of your life.
You don't have to be scared. Believe me, everything is going to be fine.
I love you.
I love you too. I overheard Ekene's discussion. I heard him discussing with Ichi Amade. And Nonso's name also came up. Obim. I think they have a hand in your uncle's death.
What?
Yes.
Are you sure about this? Are you sure?
Yes. We are close to revealing the truth.
No. You're risking too much. You have to be careful. You have to be careful.
I'm careful. But I want you to know that I will do anything within my power to make sure you are out of this place. Please, stay strong for us.
My heart is shattered. Oh, yeah, oh, oh God, my hands are clean. Chino.
Who is there? Who is there?
Why are you running? Why are you running like someone who is being chased by a ghost?
Will you shut up and mind your business? Mind your business.
Run also.
What are these two hiding?
Like, is that you?
Oh, so this thing is taking too long now. Mama needs to take her medicine.
But you can see that's what I'm preparing for her. Huh?
It's taking too long.
The process takes time. You know that.
Be fast.
Ada.
Hello, Sister Ada. How are you?
Take.
Fine.
Go and give this to Mama.
But you said you...
Go and give it to Mama. Give her everything.
How is your mother?
It's not getting any better, but we are trying our best.
Try. Don't worry, I'll see her before I leave.
Okay.
And don't come until I call you. Neka, what do I owe this unexpected visit?
I will go straight to the point. How much were you paid?
Paid? What nonsense are you talking about? By who?
Don't act dumb with me. I know you were involved with Mazi Okafor's death. I'm framing Emeka up.
Neka. Where is that coming from? How? What? Where did you get all this?
I have proof. I have everything that I need. Enough to take to the police.
Then go ahead. Yes. Let's see who will listen to your nonsense stories. Because it's nonsense.
Oh, of course they will listen. And when they do, your family will listen. And guess what? Your sister Ada will have no option other than taking care of your sick mother while you rot in prison.
Neka, you bluffing. Yeah, you are bluffing.
Am I? So look, you're just a little fish in this pond. You know what is best for you? It's better you just confess. And that way the police can just have a little pity on you. But if you continue to prove tough, you will just sink like others. One more thing. You have little time. Think about it.
Finally, now that you have gotten enough evidence, you can now call the area commander. And before you know it, Ekene and his cohort will be behind the bars. Let me call the area commander.
Uncle, I don't have the evidence.
What? What are you saying?
I searched Ekene's phone calls and text messages, but I couldn't find anything concrete. I only saw Nonso's messages asking him for money.
And you confronted them with that? What game are you playing? And you told him that you have enough evidence when you know very well that you have nothing.
I found deleted messages that Chinonso and Mazi Amadi sent to Ekene the same day that Mazi Okafor's body was found. Uncle, it's a proof and a lead as well.
Sorry, it is not. Deleting messages is not a crime. It is not.
I know, but it can rattle Chinonso and make him panic. And if he panics, he will sleep.
You are setting a trap. What if it backfires? What if Chinonso fails to take the bait? Ekene will now know that you are after him, and that will ruin everything. Can't you see?
Uncle, I'm aware of the risks, but it's the only way I can help. It's the only way I can save Emeka.
I only hope that it works. But if it fails, it will cost you more than you have planned for. I just feel that it works.
I cannot afford to back out now. No.
Iwe nonu majuru obi mo, obi mgbawa narịrị juru obi mo, amara na nwanne nna m mesiri m ike.
What's wrong?
Okwere m ṅụrụ mmiri, tomorrow you go, obi gbawara m, obi m, obi tiwara m.
Please talk to me. What is the problem? Eh? What is it? Please talk to me. You are scaring me. Eh? I've never seen you in this mood before. What's the problem? No, so it's okay. Whatever it is okay. It's okay. It will be fine. Stop crying.
Nonso? Nonso, what happened to you? No! No, Nonso! Nonso! Oh, Nonso! Nonso! Nonso, what happened to you, Nonso? Nonso! 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 Help! Nonso! Nonso! Somebody help! Nonso!
Hello. Uncle, are you serious about what you're saying?
No, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you with everything you hold so dear. Listen to me. You cannot be here. This is not a matter of proving stubborn. This is about your life. You cannot fight these people. You have to leave town. You have to leave immediately. Please, once you leave here, start going, start living. Please.
You're asking me to leave?
Yes.
No, babe. Leaving you is like leaving you to those hangmen. I can't. Besides Chinonso's death, it's not connecting to me. It's somewhat shady.
No. No. Remember when you used to tell me to leave the land, okay? I am telling you now what I know. These people will harm you if you don't leave now. Please, I know these people more than you. They will do everything possible to bury the truth. Please.
I know you're saying the truth, but I cannot leave. I can't. I can't leave, not until you're free.
Free?
Yes.
Free? Nem, you don't even understand. My freedom died the moment they framed me up. You don't get it. They played a fast one on us. So I don't want you to join up in being part of their bargain. Please, I need you to be alive for me. Let me suffer this thing alone. Leave town. Leave.
I understand. But you have to believe.
Yeah. I believe. I believe that the only thing left for me right now is the day of the sentence. The day I'll die by hanging.
Look at me. Just look at me. No one is hanging you. And I'm promising you I am not leaving this place until you're out and proven innocent. I'm going to be here for you, please. Just hold on. Hold on and let me be your hope. Please.
Just be patient. She'll be here soon.
I'm already here. I'll wait for her. You give it up.
She's here. Nika, where have you been? Ikene has been here for a while now.
I went to the park to do some way bill. I didn't know you were here. I didn't see your car parked outside.
No, it's at the mechanic. It has minor issue. They're fixing it.
Well, I guess I have to excuse both of you, okay? Nika, take off your guest, okay?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I didn't know when you left my home the last time you were there.
Oh, I think the alcohol had its effect on you.
Oh, yes. That's so funny. I didn't know it. Just a glass of wine. I feel wasted already. I don't understand. It's so strange. Very strange.
Strange?
Oh, yes. Very strange. I mean, after taking that glass of wine, I saw darkness all over me and I passed out.
I think maybe your system wasn't ready for the alcohol at that moment.
Well, some days are like that. Honestly, this is not the first time this is happening to me. Anyway, how is your day going?
My day just started.
You look so beautiful. Look at you.
Hello? Yes? Yes, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Hello. Well, I'm very sorry. I heard about the tragic news. Please accept my sympathy.
Save your pity. You think I don't know? You think you'll get away with this?
What nonsense are you spilling? You mean you don't have any respect?
Respect for a murderer. Chinoso told me everything. Every deal. Every threat. Now he's dead because of you.
Watch it, young woman. Please, don't accuse me of something I don't know nothing about.
I will expose you. Every dirty deal, every lie. You think you can silence me the way you silence him? I'm not afraid of you. Ichie Amadi, justice will find you.
Young girl, you are walking on a dangerous path. Watch your tongue.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. She's not.
What are you doing here, Ichie?
We need to talk urgently.
You could have called.
This is not the kind of discussion for a phone call. We have problems.
No. If you say we have a problem, we are going to have a problem. I don't have a problem. You have a problem. Please, I don't know why. I do not want to be dragged into the mess that you have created.
If the problem wasn't that serious, I wouldn't be here, you know.
Whose fault is that? No, tell me, whose fault is that? Please, Ichie Biko, this was not what we planned. Mba, Osoro!
This is not the time for playing games. Since Chinonso told his sister everything, and if she decides to expose everything she knows, both of us are gone. Finish!
Ichie Amadi. Yes. We're not finished. I am not finished. You are finished, right? My hands are clean.
Oh, don't play innocent with me. You are into this as much as I am. We are partners in the same crime.
Ichie! Biko, hold it there. Watch it. You are walking a fine line.
Oh no! We are into this together. It's either we float together or we sink. And for your girl, Neka, you should be very mindful of her. Maybe her reason for being with you is not the same reason she's with you.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie.
Ekene, you will have to excuse me. Yes, ever since I took that concussion this morning, my stomach has been acting up. They told me it's very good for blood pressure, but obviously it's good for nothing.
Yeah, so sorry, please. Take it easy on yourself.
Okay. Let me not go and do something that will...
Yes. I'll be here waiting. Yeah. No physical contact. All right? I want you to put an eye on her. Monitor every of her movement, where she goes to, and also who she meets. Now listen, don't mess this whole thing up for me. Don't. I would stay here a little longer to see if she will show up. But if anything changes, you know how to reach out to me. Listen again, don't mess this up for me.
I thought you gave up on Brother Emeka. I thought you chose the easy way out. I never knew you were risking a lot.
I understand you misjudging me. But I didn't just want to drag you into all of this. I feel you're young to be dragged into this.
I'm an old man in a young body. Don't forget I was raised in this family. I see and hear a lot more than you think.
Toba, I'm scared. I think Ekene knows. He knows what I did.
Sister, honestly, I would advise you to be very careful. I think he has someone trailing you.
Chimo, bianyere maka. Akamo, dioche. Obi mo, obi abawagomo. Akamo, dioche.
You. I never imagined that you'd be part of this crime.
Madam, I'm not.
Then why am I here? Why am I kidnapped?
You're not kidnapped. I
saved you. If I had not saved you, you would have been dead by now.
I don't believe you.
I know what I'm thinking. Mama is in a safe place. So that doesn't go. Hello? Give the phone to Mama. Yes. Speak to me. Don't be afraid. Calm down.
Hello, Mama, is that you?
Now you see why you have to help us to expose this one. Calm down,
Chimo, bianyere maka. Akamo, dioche. Obi mo, obi abawagomo. Akamo, dioche. Obi abawagomo. Iwe nonu majurobi mo. Obi mbawana riri jurobi mo. Amara na wane na mo meshirimike.
Chairman.
Yes, officer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, afternoon.
We're actually heading to your house. Thank God we saw you.
Oh, good. Heading to my house. And why are you heading to my house? For what purpose?
You have an invitation in our station.
Invitation?
Yes.
Oh, very good. No problem. But am I being arrested?
No, not at all.
Yeah, not at all? Not at all. Yes. Okay. I'll follow you. No problem. But after you see I'm a man of honor.
I see.
No worry.
You can go.
Now, let's talk about Chinonso.
Chinonso. I've been hearing the rumors. Malicious rumors being peddled by her sister, claiming that it had something to do with this unfortunate end.
But she says she has every evidence linking towards this death.
Well, it's simple. Let her produce it. Come to think of it, what kind of business will I be doing with him that will warrant me to kill him?
Maybe you should tell me.
If I didn't threaten to speak, you won't be here.
Why am I here?
I need you to get me out of here.
How am I supposed to do that?
Use your connections. I know you have good friends in high places, so use them.
You think it works like that?
It's not about what I think, but what you must do. And let me promise you one thing. If you don't get me out of here, I will not sing alone.
Ichi, I hope this is not a threat.
It's not a threat, but a promise.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Ini Edo, she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention. I make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by She's not fooled by your
Hi.
riches. She's not fooled by your fame.
I'm finished.
In your world of luxury and gold, you see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire, but she is already taken by a love that is on fire. Imam Kwenchi Wawa, Makanoku Adiova.
What about all your connections in the CP's office? Huh? Can't you pull some strings?
You manipulate, you deceive, you lie, you implicate him in a crime he didn't commit.
Is there nothing you can do?
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi, she's not fooled.
Inspector, this is 500,000. I wanted to make sure that the Chiamadi doesn't speak more words from the cell.
Very tempting, but it's impossible.
What do you mean by it is possible? Are you trying to tell me that you cannot handle one man?
Mr. Amadi in that cell is like holding a dynamite. Any touch, it strikes up. It's bringing up attention.
Are you trying to tell me that there's nothing you can do as it stands?
Nothing.
This is 500,000, 500,000.
It's good doing business with you, but I must tell you, it's impossible. See you some other time.
Inspector.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled.
Ekene is leaving town. He is done with you. He won't dare. He wouldn't? Yes. As soon as he gets on that bus, every crime, everything that the two of you did together, because yours alone.
He promised he will fix it.
Fix it?
Yes.
Ekene is fixing his escape. You think he's losing sleep over you? Do the needful, because Ekene has no plan of getting you out of here.
You see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire, but she is already taken.
If I can't get him out, if I can't silence him, he would drag me under with him. He will drag me under with him.
You manipulate, you deceive, you lie, you implicate him in a crime he didn't commit at all. Abozekisi eme, abozekisi eme. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo.
That file holds every evidence linking you towards Okafor's mother.
What nonsense? Bank statements! Call logs! An entry from Okafor's phone. You threatening to kill him if he doesn't give you your own share.
Then there is Chinonso. Money moved between you, Ekene, and a dead man. Why? What's Ekene's role in all of this?
Hello? What? I did not ask him to kill anyone. I did not. Thank you. Thank you, Chike. I understand.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie.
Neka, this is really nice. I mean, this food smells perfect. I think you should cook for me every day.
Really? I'm glad you like the food.
I love it. After getting married to you, I won't have to stay long, weeks, months without eating this kind of food. In fact, this is the best.
Yes, I look forward to that.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you.
By a love that is on fire.
Hi. I should have known. Should have seen this coming. Neka, you used me? You played me for a fool? I swear to God, you will regret this. You will regret this. I am coming for your father and for you too. You all can make me feel like a fool. Mba. Still your useless father. I'm coming for you all.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's
not reachable.
Fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. She play the lies you like.
Hello?
What is it, Dikeh? Do you know what time it is?
I'm really sorry. If it wasn't urgent, I would not be calling by this time, please. Sir, please. Hello? Hello? Hi! What is going on? What is going on? What do I do?
You did well. You did well.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Thank you for bringing Chinonso on board. I really appreciate it. I'm very certain that he's going to be a great CSO when the mall opens.
He is a very strong, well young man. He knows all the troublemakers in this our community. He used to be one of them. Now I can fight for him. He will do very well.
You have nothing to worry about, Ekene. I promise you that. Absolutely nothing.
That's why they think they are meant. Let them do it. Let them even try it first. Like they are mad. We'll be fighting for what is not. This is that place time.
I don't like that boy. Always violent.
That fool. That fool tried to kill me. Last time he saw me working on his uncle's farmland.
Do you know this boy? This boy here is the reason why Nneka refuses to give me her attention.
How? I don't get it. This riffraff that can't even fend for himself, competing with you over Nneka's attention. How? Why?
Maybe he used some charm on her.
No, Ichie. Contrary to that opinion. I just feel she's just foolishly in love with that riffraff.
And you are doing nothing about it. I know you like Nneka. See, women sometimes can be blind to realities of life.
I know. But Ichie, you should understand. You should know that I have the wherewithal to break the both of them. I have what it takes to break them apart. You know, there is nothing this man can offer this girl. It is obvious. Whatever that man can offer this girl is a life of hardship and struggle. That's all. You can see him gallivanting all the village, making troubles and fighting everybody. Is that a life of a responsible young man?
No.
Well, sorry. Ichie.
Yes.
Because I will have to stop here now.
Okay.
I'll get in touch with you later.
No problem.
Let me pick this call. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello? Ichie, what is this about?
I think I can help make Nneka yours forever.
How do you mean?
If they stop seeing each other, Nneka will consider advances, since that low life is the barrier.
Ichie, how do you tend to achieve this?
For the right amount, I can help you put Emeka away permanently.
No. Ichie, no, it hasn't got into this. Please, Biko. No.
Don't overthink what I've just said. I don't mean killing him.
Okay. It's because of the way you put it.
That was all I could think about or think of.
You see, I have a different idea about it.
Okay, let's hear. What is your idea?
Patience is virtue, but trust me, when it is done, you will have neck as your wife, as long as you like. But you have to pay a lot of money.
Ichi Amade. What you're asking me to do is very, very dangerous. And it can lead me into a very serious trouble.
Now, so you are talking of trouble. Your life is already troubled. You see, let me ask you one question. Since you've been struggling in this village, how much have you been able to earn?
Nothing really, but...
That's what I'm saying. This offer I'm giving you now will turn your whole life into good. Your mother that is sick, you will have more than enough to take care of her.
Mazi Okafor is your friend. Is he not your friend?
Mazi Okafor is not my friend. And he can never be anybody's friend. Trust me on that.
Okay. What if they trace it down to me?
Don't worry. They won't trace it to you. Everybody in this village know that Emeka is a sworn enemy to Mazi Okafor. And when it happens, the blame will be placed squarely on Emeka's shoulder. You see, I have a plan. It's very precise and it's foolproof.
Okay, now let me hear the plans.
Then come closer. See, when you do it like that,
Ha. Ichembao. I can't do that, please. I can't do that, Ichi. No, I can't.
Listen, you know you have a lot to gain from this day. Remember about your sick mother.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. In your world of luxury and gold, you see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire.
a mastermind. He planned everything and have nothing to do with him. Right? He did everything. He planned everything from beginning to the end.
Ekene, how dare you? You are as guilty as I am. Mad. Listen, maybe your memory is failing you. Let me refresh. 1. Who wanted a beggar out of the way? 2. Who begged me to help him do the job? 3. Who begged me?
Did I ask you to kill him?
Really?
Did I ask you to kill anyone?
So when you knew he did, why didn't you expose him?
Okay. Officer, I was simply confused. Very, very confused. You know if I had exposed him, I would get myself implicated.
You are already implicated. You chose silence over justice. Both of you will pay for the law. Every crime, you will pay for it.
Chimo, bianyere maka. Akamo, 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 obi agbawagamo, akamo, akamo dioche, obi agbawagamo, iwe nonu majurobimo.
Don't.
Obimba wana riri jurobimo. Amara na wane na mumeshirimike. Okwera mwara miri. Tomorrow you go. Obi bawaramo. Obi mo. Obi chiwaramo. Akamo dioche. Obi mo dioche. Omari femere mancha. Chanta. Akamo. Akamo dioche.
Eat and regain your strength. Oh, I made this special for you. Oh. Kini ka mme kwere ga emeka. Hey.
I pushed her too far. In the name of a better future. Future for who? For her or for me? My pride. What kind of father am I? I was blind to her pains, her choices, her heart. I wanted her to have more than I ever had. But at what cost? Oh, I crushed her spirit. I crumbled her heart. But at what cost? At what cost? Nneka, I failed you. I failed the one person that I swore to protect.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark.
You need to forgive your mother. Everything she did was out of love and pure intentions. She made a secret to your father not to let out the secret. Because letting it out will be betraying him.
But I asked Mama every single day of my life. She lied to my face. She lied to my face. Why?
See, she's hurting the same way you're hurting. She carried the same burden the same way you're carrying yours.
But that's not supposed to be the reason she lied. She's meant to tell me the truth. No matter what. When people talk to me every now and then, they embarrass me. I'll come home and ask her, instead of her to tell me the truth. You're telling me because you don't know how I feel.
Let me ask you a question. If your mother dies from this guilt and pain, will it make you feel better? Are you going to be happy knowing the fact that she's dead? Obiem, if your mother loses her life, I am not going to forgive you either. You're stronger than this.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the one who truly loves you better. Oh baby, your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. Your love must find his way. Your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. My love, we have been through this. Now we are stronger, we are standing again. You have been to the depth of sorrow and pain. Oh, but your love has risen. You are standing again. Oh, yeah, yeah, oh, my love, we are standing again. Standing again, our love is stronger. Oh yeah, yeah. Our enemies has fallen. They try to destroy what we shared. They try to destroy our love, but it only grows stronger. Onyekema, baby, Arabunamo, baby, Monagigi, for better for us all. 'Cause your love is pure, your love is true, and now the world go see. Namona gigebi for better for us all. Your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love go conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love go conquer.
You have to stop crying. Okay? I've forgiven you. The truth is that you did what you think is right. As a human, I should be angry. But it's fine, I've forgiven you. Okay? You and Papa are the only biological parents I know. No matter what happens, you are still my mother.
And you, Emeka, you will always be my son. No matter what, my love for you will never fade.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the world.
Good day.
Good day, myself. Please sit down. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Emeka, I was actually planning to come see you since you came out, you know. But you know, I've been very busy. Yes.
To come see me.
Uh-huh. Yes. You know, I owe you apology. Yes, I owe you apology. I was hostile and harsh towards you. But look, it wasn't intentional, Lord, honestly. I was just trying to, you know, protect my daughter. You understand what I mean? Huh?
Protect your daughter from the what exactly?
I can see that you don't understand. But it's all right. With time, you will understand, you know. I mean, when you start having your own children, you will understand the weight, the gravity of the responsibility that a father has towards the children. I mean, he needs to protect the future of the children, and that was what prompted me to do what I did.
It's okay, Che. The truth is that I'm surprised. I really don't know how I feel, but it's something that I wasn't expecting, you know. So it's fine. I think I know where you're headed, and I hold no grudges against you.
That is why I like you. Yeah? That's why I like you, honestly. So how are you since you came out? Well, I guess I will excuse you guys. I'm coming.
Why are you looking like you've seen a ghost?
It's just your father. The reception I got from your father. It still feels like a dream to me. I mean.
But you know my father never hated you.
Yeah, I know. He never hated me. He hated the fact that you fell in love to a low life like me.
No, don't say that. You are not a low life. As a matter of fact, I saw great potentials in you. So, how is Mama?
Mama is fine. I apologized.
You did? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You see why I love you. You listen.
Thank you. Come on. Don't be a terrible host. Entertain your visitor. Good. Emeka, I am going somewhere. I have a meeting to attend, but I will soon come back. So, I want you to wait for me. Yes, wait for me because I have a lot of things to discuss with you. Alright? So, take care of him.
Okay. Papa.
You said I should wait for you.
Of course, yes.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the world.
So are you ready to tell me how you were able to know that Ekene was the one who set me up?
Well, two people had something to gain from having you out of the picture. That is Ekene and my father.
Your father?
Someone died. Ekene. Look, my father could be many things, but definitely not a killer. Ekene.
So what had happened?
I couldn't confront him alone, so I met with Uncle Kachuko. He needed to see the revelations he gave me. It was more than I expected.
If you ask me, I will say Amanda is the one that killed Elder Okafor. Yes.
Elder Amadi? Yes. Why? But what would he gain from killing him?
Over a share of Emeka's farmland.
What does Elder Amadi have to do with Emeka's stolen land?
Okafor promised Amadi some portions of the land if he supports him to claim that land. When he did, he turned back on his promise, and that started crisis.
Uncle, how do you know this?
I stumbled onto one of their arguments one day at the courtyard when Amadi was threatening Okafor. He even threatened him with death. Yes.
He threatened to kill him?
Yes.
Then we should report to the police. At least now that all eyes are on Emeka, it can help move the whole thing away from him.
You have a point there. But don't forget that the Lord does not act on hearsay, but evidence, empirical evidence.
But, Uncle, how do I get close to Ichie Amade without him suspecting any motive?
You don't have to get close to Amadi. Just go and get Ekene.
Get Ekene? Yes. What does Ekene have to do with this?
You have said it yourself. Who gains more if Emeka is put away?
Does that make sense?
That must be really, really tough for you. Doing all of that and still coming to see me. That was really tough. That was brave.
You know, I just couldn't let you suffer for what you know nothing about. I knew you were innocent.
God blessed me with a good woman. It was really, really hard for me. And this is why it's hard to let you go no matter what. You have no idea how I felt. You have no idea. Of course you know. You know everything. But it was difficult for me. What makes it more difficult is almost feeling like I wasn't going to come back to your warm embrace. I almost lost it. There was no hope. There was no way to prove my innocence. There was nothing. I felt like I've lost it all. I've lost the land. I've lost the only woman I love. And then...
Honey, you know what? I actually missed you more. But the whole missing you gave me more reason to propel and fight and prove your innocence. Look at you, you're back.
I'm not a woman who would do that. Some will think it's an avenue for them to move on.
Hell no. I love you.
I love you so much. And thank you for all you did for me. Thank you for going out of your way. Thank you for being there. Irrespective of the pressure, irrespective of everything. You still stand tall for me.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It's
Oh yeah, tell me first, eh? How do I look?
You look so good, my darling. I don't even know what to say. Just go there and make me proud.
Alright. Pray for me before I go.
Okay. I wish you all the luck and blessings you would ever need today. May God's grace follow you today and evermore. Amen. You've got this.
Thank you.
Trust me. See my baby. See my cousin.
through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love goes.
Love you.
That's so urgent.
Yes. See you.
What is it?
So, I went there. They welcomed me. They asked me everything. I told them. I gave them documents of my land, only for them to offer me this. This is a lease.
I don't understand.
7 years. 7 years lease.
This is 50 million naira.
They offered 50 million. And not only that, they offered for me to be the manager for that 7 years. 250,000 every month.
Oh my, this is massive. Honestly, this is too much.
It's
50 million. Am I seeing? What's 50? 50. Look at this. 50 million. I am so happy. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
You made all of this happen.
I've always believed in you, honey. Just look at you.
I wouldn't have achieved this without you.
Come here.
They try to destroy what we share.
Life has a way of fumbling around. I thought I knew what was best for you. But life has taught me that the parent's instinct is not always right. Papa, let's go finish. I was against this. I was against the maker. But seeing both of you together, I'm not something. The parents should not dictate the lives of his children. Guide and trust.
Papa, I do not take your wisdom for granted. I also want you to know that I will always be proud to have you as my father.
And I will always be proud to call you my daughter.
Love is stronger than any lie.
Thank you.
Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy ways.
You know me. I go for the best. To be honest, I never knew you are this handsome.
Mazi, you know, that money be fine, Bobo.
Money changes things.
Exactly, money changes things.
Including humans.
Including humans. Success. Money brings success.
Yeah.
So, food is ready.
Oh.
Let's go to the diner.
Yes. Shall we?
Yes, we will go to the dining. But before then, I have something I want to tell you.
I know that you love to eat lots of meat. Don't worry, I have plenty of them in the food. Let's go. I know you love meat.
Eat with my hand.
Neka, I have fought many battles in life. Some I won, some I lost. But there's only one battle that I'm still finding hard to win. Sweetheart, I want to win that battle of being your husband. Will you marry me?
Emeka.
Are you going to leave him kneeling like this? Huh? Sister, say yes.
Yes! Yes! Over and over again. Yes! Yes! Yes, I'll marry you. Yes! 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 I love you.
You just need to go to that party. We're trying to go and eat, right?
Yes, yes.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the one who truly loves you better. Oh baby, your love will conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love will conquer. Your love must find his way. Your love will conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love will conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love go conquer. My love, we have been through this. Now we are stronger. We are standing again.